speaker, Mr. Carlo Vincent Vergado, Mrs. Ira Bocalig, the pioneer Montessorian, and former guest speaker, our Montessori School Directress, Madam Manyo Satan, our very own School Directress, Dr. Marivic Gloria, dear parents, graduates, Montessorians, and guests. To our alma mater, Wisdom and Virtue Montessori School, our school directress, Dr. Marivic M. Gloria, honored guests, visitors, teachers, and parents, and to my fellow Montessorians, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today, as we stand on the threshold of our graduation, I want to express my deepest appreciation to everyone who has been a part of this incredible voyage, reflecting on my time in elementary school. I am so thankful for the amazing trip I've been in for the past 8 years. Writing these letters of thanks makes me feel a lot of happiness because we're so lucky and grateful for the love, advices, and knowledge you've shared with us. First of all, I want to show my greatest gratitude to our families and friends who has been there for us to this amazing journey. To all those who has been a part of my journey with your unbelievable support, sacrifice, and faith in our strength that helped where we are today. To my beloved teachers who never give up on me and become my second parents, thank you very much for the knowledge you've implanted on me. Thank you for guiding me to my dream. I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. Every lesson, discussion, encouraging word you utter show me how much you love and care about our growth. You hone and develop our own hidden abilities of learning by teaching us basic math, science, good manners and right conduct, arts, and music. We will never forget these kinds of love learning. Thank you, teachers, from all of us graduates. To my parents, thank you for your unending support, guidance, especially for being good-hearted and kind-hearted to me. Thank you because you sent me in a good school to be educated and to have a beautiful future. I'd also like to thanks to my fellow graduates who has been with me in this lifelong of learning and for our friendship, laughter, and for being appreciative. We have grown a lot, learned, and gotten to countless challenges, but still, we are one. Even though we will be separated now, the memories we made always be imprinted in the mind of each of us. Mikay, Precious, and Althea, we will never forget those memories. To my friends, John and Mark, who has been a part of my life, and their life brothers, thank you for the 2 years I spent with you. Maraming salamat sa inyo dahil isa kayo sa nagpakita sa amin. Sa mga alaala natin ginawa, we will never forget those memories. Sana hindi niyo ako makalimutan. I will never forget you guys. Last, but not the least, thank you for everyone who helped me to celebrate this important milestone in my life. Thank you for supporting this program. Thank you, God, for your unconditional love, guidance. You are our inspiration and source of wisdom. We are so grateful, O Lord. Let's take these words of thanks as we move on to the next chapter of our life that reflects on the lesson we've learned, the people we've met, and the constant support helped to reach this point. May we always give back the help and kindness we've been received. I will leave this quote to everyone in Montessorians. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams by Eleanor Roosevelt. Everyone, thank you and congratulations. Hooray, Montessorians! Hooray!